Hello guys, what is up? In this video I'm going to show you how to install Facebook Pixel on your store. Basically what a Facebook Pixel is it's a little thing that tracks everyone who comes to your site. So some of you may know what Google Analytics is from running your other sites. It tracks your stats, how many visitors you're getting, who's on your site, where they came from. Well, basically, the Facebook Pixel is the same sort of thing, but it's Facebook's, and we can track everything that comes from our ads and who's purchasing what, how much they're spending, what ads are doing well. That's basically how we go about it. So, the best way to look at your ads is with the pixel, so we can see exactly which ads are converting. So if you don't have a pixel on your store, you can run a load of ads and you might be getting sales, but you've 20 ads running and you have no idea where these sales are coming from. So this is why we install the pixel, and it shows us exactly where our sales are coming from, exactly how many sales we're getting, exactly how much them sales are bringing us in, and also the pixel learns. So basically, the more traffic you send to your pixel, the more add to carts you get on your pixel, the more sales you get with your pixel, the smarter your pixel gets. And this allows Facebook to basically say, look, these are the people that buy on Case Ninja, so let's target people who look like them. And your pixel knows all this, it does this automatically, and the more data you give it, the smarter it gets. So it's like yourself, the more you learn, the smarter you get. So you want to teach your pixel. So what you have to do is send it traffic, and you do that by running ads and targeting different audiences. If you can get lots of sales, you can actually start targeting with no targeting. So some of my ads run basically just worldwide with zero targeting. But because I've got the pixel installed, it knows exactly who to target, and it does it all itself. So let's go ahead, jump in. That was just a wee rundown of what the pixel is. I'm going to show you how to install it and the app I actually use to get it on my store. So here we are in my store, caseninja.com. I haven't actually got the pixel or all the apps installed that I recommend for you guys, but I'm going to get that done soon. But the app I use is Pixel Magic. You can't actually get it on the App Store. It's a private app. I'm going to put the link down below to it, so you can jump in there and you buy it there. It's $10 a month. Definitely worth it. There's other Pixel apps out there, but I've only ever used this one, so this is the one I'm recommending to you guys. So let's go in. Just go through the link. It gives you instructions to install it. It's really simple, and you'll end up here on this screen. So I have a Pixel already on this store, but I've set up a fresh ad account for this to show you guys exactly how to do it from the start. So this actually lets you add multiple pixels to your store. So what you can do is, if you have a general store, you can add your normal pixel to it, and then add the same pixel you use for one of your niche stores. So then you're making your niche store pixel smarter while running ads to your general store rather than your niche store. So that's what I've been doing on this one. I've been using my main pixel to make this account smarter. So what I'm going to do is go in and show you guys. What you'll want to do is go into your business manager, go in here, and you go over to pixels, which is an asset. So click that. It'll bring you through. I'm in my Case Ninja account, and this is what it'll look like for you. So what we want to do is create a pixel. I'm just going to call it Case Ninja's pixel, and you agree to the terms. Pixel's ready. Install pixel now. So basically, we don't need to worry about any of this stuff. Just set up events. So what we'll want is our view contents, the one we use, add to carts, what we use, and purchase, what we use. So done. They're all we need. Let's view the pixel code. Done. It's not actually lit. That's what do we need. So copy this to clipboard. We only need the the actual pixel code. So I'm not sure why it's not letting us actually get the code. I think it's out there. So let's check this out. So custom conversions. It's Facebook pixel. So I think that's the number we need. Right, so let's get into our notepad and pull that code from it. So that's our code there. Okay, so copy that and paste it in the notepad and get your code. Go over to Pixel Magic and paste it in there. And simply click add. So now that's installed on your store, what you'll be able to do is go to, you'll want to download an app called Pixel Helper. So it basically shows you whether the pixels installed correctly on your store or not. Facebook, you'll probably have seen there, says download Pixel Helper, see if the code works. So go in there, click that link, download it, probably be on Google Chrome, check it out, get it installed in your extensions, and we will go and show you actually how to check if the pixel is on your store correctly. So I'm going to go to my store's homepage here, and what you'll see is, let me drag this down. So in your extensions, you'll now have this wee Pixel Helper app. So click in here. There's 2 pixels loaded, so that you can see that's the pixel ID of that. So, and then there's the one that we just installed. So now you know it's installed properly on your site. You can check that, and when you go in here, so let's go to our product, and we can show you what it actually looks like when we're on the product page. We should get the view content action coming up. So pixel loaded successfully, view content. So that means whenever someone comes from somewhere, Facebook will track it and flag the view content thing and give you a number. So if 10 people visit your site, Facebook will know that, and you'll be able to look at that in your report section. So it's showing up on both pixels here. Add to cart should do the same thing. We should now have an add to cart in the pixel tracker. Page view. If we go to checkout. Okay, I think it just showed up. So you don't actually have any checkout page, but on the add to cart page there'll be one which fires. When your pixel fires, sends that data to Facebook, and then you have it in your reports. But you can see there, nothing's shown on the checkout page, but when you purchase, the pixel fires again and sends that data to Facebook, so then you'll have a purchase in your report. So that's basically your pixel is installed, dead simple, just paste it in there and click add, and it's as easy as that. You really need this on your store, guys. It's so hard to analyze data without it, and this makes your life so much easier. So get the Pixel Magic app, the link's down below, grab it there, install it on your store, download the Pixel Helper app off Facebook, and we can jump right in and start advertising now. So I'm not actually sure why it won't let me like go into my account here, but yeah, I'll figure that out. You don't actually need to come in here. I'll probably just have to send some data to the pixel, and then it should load up. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Go install your pixel, and we'll get started doing some ads.